Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to look at changing the subject of the formula lesson 3. We are making y the subject of the formula. So on the board, on the screen, as you can see, there is this question which is x is equal to a minus y, 1 minus y. Remember, we are making y as the subject of the formula. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we are saying subscribe to our channel, and please invite your friends to subscribe to our channel. If you find this video helpful, please remember to share it and give it a thumbs up. With that being said, let's get into solving this problem on the screen. Okay, so we are told to make y as the subject of the formula. Make y a subject of the formula. Now, as you can see, there are two y's there. So we need to make y as subject of the formula. So in this one, first of all, we have a fraction on the right side of the equal sign, which is a minus y over 1 minus y. So we need to get rid of the fraction. So how are we going to do that? As you can see, we have got the denominator, which is 1 minus y. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply both sides by 1 minus y. When we do that, that means we are going to get rid of the fraction. Why are we multiplying? Because 1 minus y is, we are dividing m minus y by 1 minus y. So because we are dividing, then we are going to multiply. Immediately we multiply, we do the opposite. That means 1 minus y will be cancelled out and we will not have a fraction. So what I mean is this one. So we're going to say 1 minus y multiplied by x is equal to a minus y over 1 minus y multiplied by 1 minus y. Now, as you can see on the right side of the equal sign, we have got 2 1 minus y, so they can cancel each other. The other one is multiplying, the other one is dividing, so they can still cancel each other. So we are saying we cancel the one on top and we also cancel the one down. Okay, now after I've done that, then on the left side of the equal sign, there's no way we can cancel out apart from just multiplying it. So when we multiply x multiplied by 1 minus y will give us x open bracket 1 minus y, which is equal to, what are we remaining with here? We are remaining with a y. Okay, so now what do we do now here? What we're going to do now here, on the left side we are going to expand x open bracket 1 minus y. Okay, so let's expand. So we are going to say x multiplied by 1 will give us x, then x multiplied by negative y will give us negative xy, which is equal to a minus y. Okay, now what are we going to do here now? We're going to put the like terms together. As you can see on the left side, if we are making x as the subject of the formula, this could have just been easy because as you can see, x and x, they are on the one side. Now we want to make y as a subject of the formula. That means we need to correct all terms that have y in them on one side of the equal sign, because we want to make y as a subject of the formula. I want to make y the subject of the formula. So what we are going to do is we are going to say x, we are going to put the like terms together, then we're going to say x is equal to, so this one a is positive, so it will be minus a, which is equal to then negative y, then this negative xy is crossing the equal sign, will become plus xy. Okay, once we have done that, now what will be our next move? Now the next step is to factorize negative y plus xy. So we're going to factorize negative y plus xy. So Now what we're going to do after, what we're going to do here to factorize that, we're going to find the common term in this expression, the term that is found in this in this expression. So you can see that y is appearing twice, so we can use y as a common factor. Okay, so before we do that, let's write the x minus a. We're going to say x minus a is equal to then we say, so we're going to use y, which we are going to say is equal to, now we put y there and open bracket, so we say y into negative y will give us negative 1, y into xy will give us positive xy. So we are going to have something like y open bracket negative 1 plus x close bracket. Now we have factorized that expression. So what are we going to do next? Now the next step we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by negative 1 plus x. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by negative 1 plus x, which we're going to say over, then we say negative 1 there. We're saying x minus a over negative 1 plus x. Then this side we're also saying in fact we're dividing the entire expression there. So I'm saying we're going to divide that, the whole y open bracket minus 1 plus x close bracket, we're going to divide that by negative 1 plus x. Okay, now once we have done that, as you can see on the right side, we are able to cancel. There is negative 1 plus x on top and also negative 1 plus x down. So we're going to just cancel that, then it will cancel each other. Okay, after I've done that, the next thing now, we should write what is remaining. As you can see on the left side, we cannot cancel. There is no common letters that are found, so we can't say we cancel out x down and x on top, no, because what is happening is the denominator is dividing the whole expression of the numerator in that fraction, so we cannot do that. Okay, then what are we going to do now? We're going to write what is remaining. So I'm going to write what is remaining on top there. Then I'm going to write x minus a over negative 1 plus x is equal to, so what is remaining this side? This side we are just remaining with the y. As you can see, the other things there, they have cancelled each other. So we are saying now is equal to y. So now we have made y the subject of the formula. That's how we make a letter as a subject of the formula if we are given a question like this one. So those are the steps you need to take, so that is the correct formula. Now we have made y as the subject of the formula. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we are saying subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't invited your friends to join our community, please invite your friends to join our community. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.